This is Daniel Prey recording for AEP 858, Module 11. We're looking today at data in assessment forms. After reviewing the articles, the normal distribution, looking at a difference between a bell curve, among others. The one I'm most familiar with would be a bell curve. I do not feel like I've seen those recently. You might have to go back to my college days before I really got into that side of the data. The numbers made sense. The normal distribution of 68, 95, 99.7 rule made sense to me after it was explained. Talking about to the first standard deviation, to the second standard deviation, to the third. I've never seen it explained like that, so it was very nice and thorough. And then when we read the moving towards comprehensive assessment system, the big takeaways that stood out for me was the summative assessment, or at the end would be for my school district, the state assessments. The formative assessment, which might be the minute-by-minute ones. And for me, those are the FastBridge assessments that we use at the beginning, middle, and end of the year to see where the students are. Also the pretest we give before the modules. And even the exit tickets that we use through Engage New York or Eureka Math. Seeing where our kids are. Spelling tests that we give, all those different standard-based assessments that we give. And then our interim or mid-assessments might be considered our end-of-module assessments for math. Might be the interim state assessment to see where we still need to go. Could be our mid-module assessments for math. As far as it relates to USD 323 and what that assessment looks like and how my school interprets data, we look at the FastBridge data and the state assessment data. So far, we used to be on AimsWeb, but so far the FastBridge data is kind of on our own, and the data that we look at is the bottom 25%. Who can we qualify for Title I? Who can we qualify for an MTSS model and follow that process and procedure? How we interpret data is at grade level and it's within the teachers. So far we have not gotten together to take a look at data throughout the district or as a building or even in a staff meeting. I need to also think about when we give assessments that we're ensuring that they're grade appropriate. And I feel like that we do a very good job of that at USD 323. Different ones that we've given in the past, Star Reader, Star Math, AimsWeb, all of this data went into grouping kids and putting them into above grade level, at grade level, or below grade level groups for math and reading. I feel like those tests were very appropriate. We're now using the FastBridge data that I don't have a lot of knowledge on yet. It's going to take a couple rounds before I feel comfortable with that. We've also used the QPS screener. I use standard-based assessments for math, using things like resources from Teachers Pay Teachers that have the standards broken down and given to, so I can see what the kids already know and where they're headed. As far as in the future, we have hired a curriculum director 2 years ago. This year we're getting in place and getting aligned vertically and horizontally for our curriculum. So that's going to help out quite a bit, but also as far as our assessments also. So looking at this new FastBridge program. So I hope you enjoyed watching. and I can't wait till next time.